Hey guys, what is up? I just want to very quickly, sorry I'm holding it upside down, just want to very quickly show you my new watch that I've purchased. I thought I'll do an unboxing of it. It's an Armani watch that I picked up on eBay. The RRP on it was 340 quid, but I managed to get it for £108 or £109, which was fantastic. I love the look of this watch. Let's unbox it right now. So just give me a second. Sorry if I... Seems to be quite difficult to just take this apart. Oh my god. Okay, I've got it now. Alright, that's good. Today will be good, and finally we've got another box to open, and I guess you take this apart. Okay, very good. What's this? So we've got this now. I'll just take this apart. And wow, there we go, here's the watch. So let me just actually take this out. Right. Okay, so here's the watch. Have a look at it. It looks really nice, doesn't it? I think it's one of the most prettiest watches, honestly, that I've ever seen. I can't wait to wear it. I think it's fantastic. Let's take it out of here. Right, what else is in here? They've got, what is that actually? It's a certificate of authenticity, right? No problems there. And we've got a booklet in here. It's got a booklet. Can you believe that? Wow. Okay. Wow. Right, I don't know if I'm going to be reading that or if I've got enough time to actually read that, but let's have a very quick look at the watch. Let's take some of the stuff off. I'll just move this. But honestly, I think it's such a pretty watch. I think it's unbelievably pretty. I can't believe that I bought a watch of this caliber for 100 quid. I think it's magnificent. Right, thank you very much for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed the watch, and yeah, it's really pretty. It was a proper nice watch. Thank you very much for watching, and peace out.